Setting a unique notification sound for different apps on the Galaxy S24 helps you quickly identify which app is sending an alert without needing to check your phone. Here's how you do it. First, tap on the home button to return to the home screen. From there, swipe down from the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go to Notifications. In the Notifications menu, select App Notifications. Scroll through the list and choose the app you want to assign a custom notification sound for. For example, let's select Messages. Once you're in the app settings, scroll down and tap on Notification Categories. Now, choose a category, for example, New Messages. Then, tap on Sound. Here, you'll see a list of available notification sounds. Select a unique sound that you'd like to apply specifically to this app. You can also adjust the notification sound level if needed. After you've made your choice, simply tap the back arrow. Now, whenever you receive a notification from Messages, it will play the sound you selected, setting it apart from other notifications. You can follow the same steps for any other app, like Gmail, by going into its notification categories and selecting the desired sound. Once you're done, tap on the home button to return to the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.